Hello everyone, welcome to Longze Machinery. Today I'm going to introduce to you our 3 to 4 tons pallet line installation in our showroom. Behind me you can see that on the top is the sawdust storage silo. And the sawdust storage silo through 2 screw conveyors transport the wood sawdust to 2 pallet machines. These are 2 pallet machines with 132 kilowatts electric motor, and each machine capacity 1.5 to 2 tons per hour. So this pallet line 3 to 4 tons per hour. I will introduce to you this pallet machine in details. As you can see that the storage silo can hold the large quantity of wood sawdust. So it can make sure the pallet machine running in steady and good condition. As you can see that those 2 machines are all same, 132 kilowatts electric motor, capacity is same. A little difference between them is the gear reducer. The one with the rod type gear reducer, and this one with the square type gear reducer. Those 2 reducers is same function and same quality, same working. It just depends on your like. And you can see that these 2 pallet machines, the PLC touchscreen electric control panel. We use a good quality digital indication, the volts panel and the amp panel, and also the frequency speed device, and also this 10-inch the PLC touch screen. And also, in case the PLC touch screen not working, you also can control the machine through this buttons, stop and start button. So the machine will not affected by PLC in case of any problem. And also the pallet machine with the soft start to protect your electric transformer. These 2 pallet machines also with an high quality automatic bearing lubricating system. The lubricating system we use a glass tank, so you can see very clearly the grease condition. All right, that's all for today's wood pallet machine introduction. If you are interested, please feel free to contact Longze salespeople. We will try our best to service you.